Alright, tubes. Back here, Lil Racers. We had to go to the shed here because it was raining out. We didn't want to spray inside the garage, so Lil Racer has all his parts out here. Got the other ones hanging up. Just got done priming them. Got some hanging up there, some hanging there. He's done priming them. He's gonna start putting the color coat on now. So that's where we're at with this. Alrighty. Lil Racer's putting on the top coat now. He's doing the black. There's black parts. Look at him go. Alrighty. Don't forget that's the bottom. Bottom's gonna look better than the top. Alrighty. We'll show you some more when he's done. No sense in watching him paint. Alrighty, tubes. He has Lil Racer has his black parts all painted here hanging. I know it's tough to see all the shit in the shed here, but I'm just trying to show you where he's at. He painted his silver. He's here silver, and he's painting the green now. Got his cylinder heads back there. Painting them up. I hate to say it, but I think somebody was taking notes when Uncle Road King was painting. Look at him go.
Best rattle can paint job ever.
Yeah. Maybe Ronnie was taking some notes.
Yeah.
Old vid man, he does a lot of spray bomb painting.
Spray bombing.
Yeah.
Only preparation.
That's it. Alright, we'll show you after he finishes what they look like. Alrighty. Alright, tubes. Lil Racer has his stuff all painted up here. Did a nice job too. Oh, there's the mounting brackets and the muffler there, and the kicker. Here's got the block painted green. Here's the base. Looks good. You're seeing a little glare there, but it looks good. And there's the engine mount. Here's the pulley guard. They cleaned up his pulley. Look how nice he did. A real nice job with that pulley. Or flywheel. I guess you call it a flywheel.
Yeah.
And there's the mag. We're having trouble with the mag. It's not giving us a spark, so we're either going to have to modify that or buy another one. But until we get that fixed, we're not going to get it running. Oh yeah, even a guard. Nice shiny guard there. But anyway, here's my engine. And Lil Racer, when I rebuilt it, I never had it running. I didn't want to put any gas in it. Lil Racer said, what the hell good is it if you don't have it running? So, open the door there, see if it'll start, Racer.
Let's see.
Just put a muffler on it too, a new muffler. So it might be a little, if it does start, it'll be a little quiet. Alright, Racer, give it a go. Sounds pretty quiet.
Hoping I'm out of gas.
Yeah, it sounds like it's starving for gas for some reason.
That was a problem earlier. Yeah, we'll put a little gas in it.
Alright, let's put some gas in and see what happens. Here we go. Got it running good. Put a load on it, Racer, see what it does. Oh yeah, listen to this.
Turn like shit.
go, tubes. 1937 Maytag model 72. Twin multi-motor. Alrighty. Say goodbye to the tube there. Alright, tubes. See you later.